So hello everyone. Today is the day 5 for a Django live session. So today we are going to complete this Django customer creation, and then we will complete the homepage for this. Okay, like how homepage is going to be visible. So let's move ahead and continue this thing. So first of all, we need to complete this thing. Like if user is logged in from somewhere and he wants to create the customer, so we will be able to create the customer for that particular user. Okay, so now let's move ahead and see what we are doing in the code. Okay, so in the home page, when user is submitting the customer, okay, like we are getting this customer method. If request dot method is this one, so we are doing this thing. So right here we will do um and in the login page we are redirecting to the slash URL, and in the home page we are going customers, right? Okay, so if request dot we can say uh, let's go to the urls.py. What we are doing basically, we are doing in the home, we are doing home page, and in home what we are doing, in home we are rendering customers dot this thing, right? Okay, so what basically we will do over here in the home page, this is the thing. Okay, this is the thing, and here we will do some thing like customer data, first name, last name, phone number, email, status. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so here we will not do like this. Here we will remove this thing, and we will do one thing like customer creation, right? Okay, so first name, here we will need to remove this also. We will remove this. Here, this is email, right? This is email. This is email here. Okay, so this is all we got. And now uh, customer we have, right? Customer model we imported, no, right? From my app dot models import customer. Okay, so here customer dot objects dot create, and here we will do what, and or simple, or we can say simply we will not do anything here, just simple. We will do like create, let's see, customer, what are the fields we have. We have user first name, last name, email, phone number, created that, right? Okay, so we will do like user equal to request dot user. Request dot user means that here we will do one thing, home login, required login. Okay, here we need to import like user decorator, required login required. It means that this home page will be available only if the user is logged in. Okay, so that's how we can, when we are redirecting to the home page, it should be visible to the people who are logged in, right? And if it is not, user is not logging, so we will redirect user to the login page. Okay, this we will do. And here what we are doing basically, user is what the whatever the logged in user is there, so that user is going to create the customer. So I want to give the foreign key relation, what like this user is going to create this customer, so we can in future, if I want to fetch the user for that particular user, so we can be able to do that, right? So that's how we are doing. So let's move ahead, request dot user, and now first name is equal to first name, and last name equal to last name, and phone number equal to phone number, and email equal to email, right? This is the thing we need to create. And customer.objects.create, this is we did. And in the return, we want to return what? In the home page we want to return let's see, uh, customer.html is still okay. Okay, we need to do something here. only we need to return this thing, or we can say redirect, or we can use redirect, return, redirect, slash, backslash. Okay, so this is slash only, so we can redirect to the same page. Okay, so this is what we are not going to use here, and simply this we are doing. And now let's see what we can be able to do now. So yeah, this is how we are able to create the and here we will use login URL. So basically how we can use that, see logged in. Okay, see logged in means let's see how to import. Let's use Google ChatGPT. How to use login required decorator. Okay, so it will give you just we need to import. Okay, even I don't remember how it is import, but I know these things we can use. Okay, so you can just, it's not a big deal from Django, right? This one thing I want to use, want to know, like login required, right? So this is the thing, this is the thing I wanted to know. So here this is I need to import here, like right, auth.decorators and import login required, and here in the home page we are going to use login required. Login required. Okay, so login required means that if user is not logged in, so and he want to enter in this page, so and we will use this URL. So login slash login. Okay, so he will redirect, or she, the user will be redirect to the this login page if it is not we can say logged in. Okay, and about page, all these things are going to be a login required login. Okay, only registered and login page are not going to be login required, right? Because uh, this page is even only for registering the user. So how user will be online and like registered and able to, we can say. Okay, so this is common logic that we can use, like homepage. If user is redirecting to the homepage, so we can be able to do this thing, right? Okay, so now let's see python manage.py run server. Let me do python manage.py run server, and I will run the server, and you can see, I hope everything good. Okay, function object has no attribute user. Mhm. What it says, login required, line number 12, import asterisk. Okay, line number 12. Okay, login user, right? Login user. Login no, login, right? Perfect. It is perfect, right? Why it says this thing here? Login, right? And this is the thing. It is still having the issue. Let's check this. Okay, okay. It says login. Let's see what is the URL here, and let's see. Okay, login. So let's see. What it says, wrapped view, it has function. What basically it says, okay, let's check this thing. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT what it is and correct this. Okay. Login URL. You need to pass this variable also, right? Login URL. Login URL, right? Perfect. Okay, yeah, I forgot this thing. Same thing we need to do here. No. Here why we are using, right? Here we don't need to use this thing. Even we don't need to use register. Perfect. Okay, done. Let's see how it works now. It should work right now. Right, done. Okay, so it's working now. Fine. So let's see. Let's move to the home page. Here we are in the home page. What happened? Okay, this is website. There is some another project is running on the same page. So let's see. It needs to drop this thing. Okay, and now needs to run this thing. Right, this is how you can see login form, right? You can see here when after logging in, trying to log in. Okay, so it's just saying the user is not logged in, so it's just saying try to log in from the home page, right? So it is rendering to the redirecting to the login page, right? So here we can say login here using let's see from my account I will try to log in. 1 2 3. I hope it should be the correct password. Okay, so now I'm in the login. Okay, so now you can see this is after logged in. I got this page, and now what I wanted to do now here, if I will create the user here. Okay, so you can see. Let me create one customer like my customer one, right? Okay, last name customer and or let's see let John. Okay, Abraham. Okay, this is the name and email John Bhram Abraham @gmail.com. Okay, so this is the and here we will let 7898612518 done. 612518. Okay, so and here I am running this submitting this. So here you can see after getting submit I got the same home page, right? Because I'm redirecting to the same page. Okay, so this is what. Okay, now I got in the same page. So here you can see let me verify this thing. Okay, so how we can verify this thing, like we need to log into the admin page for that. Okay, so let's see. I will redirect to the admin page, and here I will open my admin page, admin slash, and here Hariom, and here Hariom. Okay, so there you can see customers we have, right? Just give me a minute. Here we have customers, and here. Okay, so here you can see I have created this customer John Abraham @gmail.com, and here you can see the name and user. You can see user, this user I created. Okay, Hariom frequency 6, right? So this is my user, right? Others are testing 1, testing 2, like this. Okay, but here I have just Hariom. Okay, so it is modifying like this user has this particular customer. Okay, so now the same thing what I want to list all the customers here in the below this form. Okay, uh, to like show the how many customers this particular user has. Okay, and now then we will create one thing like this like sales of this user how many sales like product purchased. Okay, purchase list or something like that. Okay, so that we are going to do, and let's see, let's move ahead how we can do that. Okay, so just quickly, what we can do basically now, now we will list out all the users for this customer in the below list. Okay, and in this list, what we will do basically, just give me a minute, and uh, okay, okay, done. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, and here just we will ask one thing. Okay, to the chat GPT. What? Okay, this is my home function. This is my home function. Uh, this is my home function, and here I want to list uh, home function, and here I'm creating the creating customers and now, and I want to show all my all show users all customers in same page. So give me bootstrap HTML and bootstrap HTML and view code, Django view code. Okay, let's see. Okay, so okay, let's see. Okay, let's see what we are doing basically. Okay, so what we will do basically now, okay, for the particular user, we will filter out all the customers. Okay, let's see, simply do this thing. Okay, okay, customers, and we will pass customers equal to customers. Okay, simple. Here we will pass this customers equal to customers, and I'm telling what we are doing. Okay, right, let's see. When you redirect, when you came with the post method, so post methods you will redirect to this thing, right? Okay, so basically what will happen when method will be post, so it will enter to this condition, and then after creating the object it will return to or redirect to the same URL. But when after redirecting it, okay, it will not be the post method, so it will be the get method. So if the method is get, so it will call this thing and it will redirect to the this customer form.html. Okay, so let's see how we will do it. Okay, and here we will just create customer form, and then we will your customers. Okay, and it will be the list, right? Okay, here first name, last name, and customer email, customer phone number. Okay, this is how it is working. Let's see, it's good. UL done. Okay, and let's see, here we will create what is our customer form. Okay, customer form, this is the customer form, right? Or we can say beside of form we can do this thing. Done. Okay, yeah, this thing, and here it is doing one more thing, and we need to create block content base.html. Okay, as of now we are not creating base.html, but I will tell you how to extend or how to inherit the templates. Okay, just coming lectures, because that will be really important for us to understand that concept. Okay, so you can see here we are able to see customer one, customer abc@gmail.com, but I'm able to get only one customer. But why? Logged in user is, but we have multiple customers, right? For this let's see what it is doing basically. For customer, in customers, first name, last name, email address. Okay, this simple, right? Yes, done. So let's see how it is working. For this particular logged in user, we have user dot request dot user. Okay, so we have only one in the admin page. Let's see. John ABCD ABC. Which one have we got? We got this one, right? ABC@gmail.com. Let's see. ABC@gmail. We have Hariom, right? I'm logged in as a Hariom. Okay, done. Okay, again slash login. This is what happening. Okay, because we logged into the admin page, right? Here in the admin page. So now we are logged in the same URL as a admin user, right? But now I will log in, and I will login using another URL, right? Let's see. Hariom Suryavanshi and state 123. So you can see here. This is my now I okay, so you can see my customer is this one, right? Because recently I created this customer. Okay, so here I can see this in the UI form, or we can say UI is not much good. Okay, your customers, and what I want to do here, I want to create a table like first name, last name, email, and phone number, and here I want to give the button like update customer, okay, and total sales or something like that. Okay, so I want to create that. So let me do one thing. What we can do, uh, here I will create for the user, okay. Okay, so I will create one thing, a user equal to, okay, now, okay, let me ask ChatGPT for this. Okay, like I want to create a, this is my customer model. This is my customer model. This is my customer model, and for this I want to create just details model that will keep 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 data for each customers sales, customers purchase purchase details like product purchased, product purchased, date of purchase, a total paid amount, uh, like total paid amount and pending amount, and total amount of products, okay, product. So and mm, keep some important fields from yourself. Purchase details. Okay, so these are the total paid amount. Okay, total paid amount will be, okay, so let's see, let's use this thing. So here I will create one more model like this one. Okay, and here I will remove this thing. I think these are the good enough, and here one more field we will create. Total price, total price, paid amount. Here I will create amount. Okay, this is the thing. And now what we will do, simply this thing. Okay, so what we are doing basically, okay, so this is what we did. Auto add now. Okay, customer is, it is going to be the customer foreign key relation, and customer product purchased models. Okay, care field, it will be date of purchased. Okay, total amount, paid amount. Okay, so now we will create simple thing like, okay, so hello everyone, let's see, let's continue it. Okay, I was on break. Okay, just continue. Okay, so here this is the customer product purchase, date of purchased. Okay, and total amount, paid amount, pending amount, total products. Okay, total product count. Okay, so it will be the total product count that we can give, or okay, so here we can ask, okay, let's see, let's good. Okay, create add and done. Okay, so this is the thing, and perfect. Okay, so this is the model we created. Now we will migrate this model. Okay, so what we basically we need to do, And here we will create the user model also, right? User, for which user this customer is user. Okay, so user will be this one. Okay, it will be directly in the relationship with the so simply we will use this thing so we can track off the user and customer. Okay, so let's perfect move ahead. So Python manage.py make migration, right? So you can see migrations. So what it says, okay, let's ask what is the issue. Okay, this is the thing, this is I'm asking. Okay, so it will be good approach for you to write. Okay, sometimes if you're not remembering the things or something, so you can ask. Okay, it will be good approach. Okay, because we can't neglect AI tools. Okay, so now other fields. Okay, done. Customer and purchase details. New customer profiles. Related name we need to use. Okay, purchase made. Okay, understood. What it says, okay, understand the error. The error you are encountering is due to the clash in the reverse relationship between the user model you and your customer and your customer and purchase detail model. To resolve this issue, you need to provide unique related name, the foreign key pointing to the user model in the both customer. Okay. Okay, user model is both argument for the foreign key pointing to the user model, customer and purchase details. Okay, here's how you can fix the issue. Huh. Okay, done. Related name and the customer profiles done. That's good. Okay, purchase details. Okay. Okay, here you can see understand this thing. Okay, here related name, if you want to access. Okay, if you want to give the relation reverse relation, so you need to be very conscious, like it is not going to be a clash between when you use like user normally. Okay, in the purchase detail and customer, so it will be confused when you are taking a reverse relation with the custom with user model. So it will be confused, like from which you want purchase detail or customer for this particular user. Okay, in the reverse relation. But when you give the related name, so it will be able to get the like related name, it will be able to fetch a particular user's purchase detail or something like customers. Okay, so let's move ahead. uh, okay, related name customers, not customers. Okay, this thing, let's continue this thing. Okay, so now you can see purchase details. Okay, so now this is the thing, purchase made. Okay, so this is good to go, and now we can be able to migrate. Python manage.py make migrate. Okay, so here you can see we created the customer model and altered that this is the change we did. Okay, so purchase made. Okay, so now we have this purchase detail, and now just you, like registered it on the we can say in the admin page, so we can be able to. And here we need to import uh, purchase details. Okay, purchase details, and this is how we registered this. Okay, and now we will see this thing on the admin page. Okay, let's see how this works. Python manage.py run server done. Okay, so we are in the good node. Let's see. Hariom done. So here purchase details you can see. Okay, this model you can see here, and here we have purchase detail we can create, and here you can see you can get the users from which user you want for which and which customer you want to create, right? This is how you can create a customer, and purchase products, or date of the purchase, total amount, paid amount, total products, everything. Okay, so that's good to go with this. And now we will create the same thing. Let's see, move ahead with the code part. What basically we are doing here in the views.py, and after let's see. Okay, what we will do in the UI, what we are getting. Okay, let's see, in the UI we are getting this customer and all and all. Okay, so what I wanted to do, okay, so here I want to get the table in the table. Okay, I want to get all the users in the table. Okay, and with the button uh, update user and delete user. Okay, these are the three buttons I want to add for this particular. So let's see what we can do. Let's see in the customer form.html. Okay, here I don't want list, here I want let's see, ask ChatGPT. Here I don't want list tag. I want all customers in table, and for each customer I want button of update customer and delete customer with total uh okay, and let's see. Okay, delete customer, this thing we are, and we will continue the other things, right? Okay, done. This is the thing, and let's how we can done. Okay, let's continue this thing and ask how we will be what it says. Update customer non valid view function, update customer, reverse for update customer. Okay, update customer, we don't have this particular URL, right? So we will not use anything here. Or okay, we don't need this thing. Okay, so here you can see actions. Okay, this is how customer one, customer like this. Okay, and here let me create one more user, like my customer two, and email customer two @gmail.com, and phone number will be like this. So you can see here I got the customer one, customer two. These are the list of the two customers, right? Okay, and here I have button update and delete, right? Update and delete. So if I want to update and delete the user, so I can be able to do that. Okay, using this. So I will update button here. Actions, in the actions, user can be able to perform these actions. Okay, these are the users, and here I want to add total purchase and total pending amount, and okay, purchase count, total pending, total paid. Okay, all these details also I want over here. Okay, so we will continue this in the next video. Okay, as of now this much is enough, and we will continue it tomorrow. Thank you.